Hello everyone, how are you today? I want share to you all about how to exchange crypto and not lose money in bear market. And before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. The bull market caused lots of new rivals to the crypto scene. However, the trend has changed and now they find themselves in a bear market. The latter is very different from the former, so much so that the inexperienced users need to adjust. We are here to help by explaining how using an instant crypto exchanger can help you save your digital money. What is wrong with crypto exchange? Cryptocurrency exchanges are the most popular way to trade digital currencies, but with newcomers and seasoned traders, however, there are evidence issues with this platform that calls for an alternative. The main problem is that rates can differ significantly from exchange to exchange, especially in periods of unrest on the markets like on the screenshot above. This is because technically each crypto exchange is a market of its own, where different user-based set prices through demand. Arbitrage is one of the few things that keeps the difference between rates more or less consistent by definition. These platforms score a pool of centralized and decentralized exchanges to find a rate which is the best at the moment. You only need a single account or even none at all to make use of several crypto exchanges at once, which is extremely convenient. On top of it, such exchanges tend to have a simplistic UI in contrast to ever complicated layouts of cryptocurrency exchanges that are overloaded with cards, order books, etc. Despite this simplicity, you can still make use of the best currency rate and make money on arbitrage.